out here fishing off the Dingus's property, and he said I wouldn't have any luck fishing out here in the river, but he's wrong. Alright, so fishing earlier was a bust. I caught a fish pretty quick actually, but I forgot my pliers at home somehow. My friend's kid must have took them out of my tackle box when I wasn't home, and I figured they're in there, but they weren't. So I had to end up just cutting my line to let them go. So that sucks. Moo! Dingai Nation! Whoop whoop! On my way to Dingus's to play some online poker. Hopefully steal all these kids' money. Oh shit! Almost got hit by a train. Made it in the nick of time. What's up?
Not much, man.
What's up, bud?
It's all you.
Huh?
I thought the camera set up higher. I thought you lost it on your ride. You can go? Come on. Next time. Come on.
He's like, you go on without me.
Next time, come.
He really doesn't want to go.
No, he really doesn't.
Oh shit! Oh, come on. Oh. Damn. Oh, what happened?
It just like starts turning all crazy.
Oh, yeah.
We're just over here like filming you at different angles and shit.
Oh, that was badass. If only. Oh, you did land it. Fuck yeah. Man down.
Which way's forward? Okay. The car's pretty warm.
Dang. Oh, wall ride.
Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one.
So Dingus has a couple bikes out there that I really want to work on them, see if we can get them fixed up so we can, you know, ride them around and do some cool stuff. Should we go inside? Tell Dingus? Huh? Let's go tell Dingus. Well, it's been pretty dry for the past couple weeks, but holy shit, it is fucking pouring right now. I really hope it stops soon though, because I want to go back inside and I am not walking through all this fucking rain. The rain just let up a little bit, so I ran inside. Still got a little bit wet on my way inside. But I've been playing Fallout New Vegas on the Xbox One for, I don't know, a long time. I've beat it several times. It's just a good game. Fallout New Vegas was a great game. Well, last week I finally decided I wanted to get Fallout 4. So I took in Grand Theft Auto 5 and Halo 5 to GameStop, and I was able to get a pre-used copy of Fallout 4 for that trade. I already have Grand Theft Auto on the 360 and the PlayStation, so I mean, what I needed on the Xbox One for. And plus, Halo just sucks anyways. If you want to play a game where you just jump around and shoot people, buy a new fucking Call of Duty. And the Dingus and I have realized that most of you don't really like to watch our gaming videos. We're more of like a vlogging channels. So what we're doing is actually we're making a new channel specifically for gaming videos. And it's mostly going to be like split screen games that you can just sit on the couch and, you know, play with a friend. Got the channel started up the other day. It doesn't have a picture or anything and no subscribers, but we filmed a Minecraft episode last night, and the Dingus edited that, and now it's uploaded, or not uploaded, I guess. It's being uploaded right now, but our upload speed is 0.5, and I think it's like a 45-minute video, or at least it was before he uploaded it or edited it, whatever the hell, whatever, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, that's being uploaded right now. It's going to take about 24 hours to upload, so that sucks. But I'm going to be going over to his house here in a little bit, and we're going to film another one, so when that's uploaded, well, no, because when that's uploaded, he has to upload his vlog. But after his vlog uploads, then we're going to upload episode 2 of the Minecraft series. And if you're interested in it, what we plan on doing in this Minecraft series is just, we want to get to the Ender Dragon and fucking kill it. Neither of us have seen the Ender Dragon on our gameplays. We've only seen it on other people's, like on the internet and stuff. But we have yet to meet the Ender Dragon, and I want to fucking kill it. So if you're interested in that, find our other channel. It's called the 710 Oilers. But yeah, be on the lookout for that. And my internet has been acting up really funny. That's why I haven't really been uploading the videos. But I'm about to throw this in the computer and edit it and send it out into cyberspace for you guys. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.